everyone is healthy, safe, and doing great. Today, I'm thinking of sharing to you one of my favorite pasta dish, which is garlic shrimp pasta. I know it's been a while since I've made my last video, and so I'm thinking of doing this and vlogging at the same time. Yeah, so it's one of my favorite pasta dish, and Myron loves it too. And it's just a quick, easy recipe that anyone could do. And yeah, so tara, let's get started. So guys, eto na yung ingredients ng ating garlic shrimp pasta. Of course, our pasta here I will be using tricolor fettuccine egg pasta. So depende sa choice nyo kung anong pasta yung gusto yung gamitin for this recipe, but I would suggest you use fettuccine. So kahit hindi siya egg pasta, as long as fettuccine pasta yung gamit nyo. And then we got here tomatoes. Here, I use cherry tomatoes. Masarap kasi pag cherry tomatoes, they're sweet and hindi siya ganun kaasim. By the way, ang cherry tomatoes ko is 300 grams. So, I use 300 grams of cherry tomatoes and 250 grams of pasta. Here again, we have parsley. Fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, you could also use dried ones. 100 grams butter. Garlic. So, yung ginamit ko is one whole, yung isang bulb ng garlic. And shrimp. I've already put some salt and garlic powder sa shrimp ko. And I'm using evaporated milk, 1 1/4 cup of evaporated milk, lemon juice. So I just use 1 lemon juice. I mean 1 lemon. And yung garlic ko guys, yung head niya, tinanggal ko and pinakuluan, and kumuha ako ng around 150 ml dun sa pinakuluan ko. And reduced cream, 250 ml of reduced cream, and last but not the least, olive oil. So yan yung mga ingredients. As you can see, mostly fresh yung gamit natin, and let's get started. So first is you heat the pan, and then pag mainit na yung pan, ilagay mo na yung butter. Hinaan mo lang yung apoy kasi yung butter mabilis lang yung sunog. By the way guys, we will also be needing salt and pepper to taste. So once na melt na ang butter, we could add a little bit of olive oil. And then isa natin yung garlic. Depende pala sa inyo kung gusto nyo maglagay ng onions. So, pwede na nating lakasan konti yung apoy natin. So, depende din pala sa inyo. If gusto nyo ng less work, you could also buy yung peeled and deveined na shrimp. In my case, I bought a whole shrimp para magamit ko pa yung heads for flavoring, like yung pinakuluan ko nga siya. Pero you could also buy yung na-devein na. Much better. So after na natin magisa yung garlic, we could add now our tomatoes. So here, hihintayin natin siyang madurog at lumabas yung juice. pwede na natin ulit lakasan konti pa yung apoy. And yung shrimp pala is, I bought 900 grams. And maybe nagamit ko lang is around 300 to 400 grams ng shrimp. But, if gusto nyong maging OA, you could put more shrimp. But since tinamad na ako mag-devein, and it will take me a lot more time, yun lang yung kadami yung ginawa ko. Guys, pwede tayo magdagdag ng salt to add more flavor. So, durog na yung ating tomatoes. Here, we could add yung natin, shrimp na pinakuluan, ulo ng shrimp na pinakuluan. We could also add pepper. Lagay na natin yung cream. We'll add the cream. After adding the cream, I will now add my evaporated milk. We could now add half of this parsley just to add some more flavor sa ating sauce. And we will save the other half later for our garnish. Now, we'll also put some lemon. Half lang muna. Now, we will add our shrimp. Yung shrimp, again, nilagyan ko na siya ng salt and garlic powder. And I think, ubusin ko na tong lemon. So, papakuluan lang natin siya, then we will add the pasta. Now guys, kumukulo na siya. I will add now my pasta. So, if you love this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and you could also share this video, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, and you could also give me comments. So, ayan. Mini-mix-mix lang natin siya. Luto na to, guys. Diba, ang bilis lang. Medyo matagal lang yung preparation ko kanina kasi nga nag-devein pa ako ng shrimp. But, again, if you want it to be easier, you could just buy yung shrimp na peeled and deveined na prepare na from the supermarket. So that's it, guys. Here's our garlic shrimp pasta made with love.